Hello dear students, in previous videos we have learned how to find the area of rectangle and square. In today's class we are going to discuss about volume of the cube and volume of the cuboid. So see here, in this class we are going to discuss about volume of cube and cuboid. So I will give some examples for cube. Cube means when you are playing the Ludo, there is a dice. Okay, the dice is there in cube shape. If the face of the figure is in square, then that is cube, and cuboid means its face is a rectangle, and they both have a 6 sides, 12 corners and 8 edges. Okay, volume means the capacity of the cube and cuboid, how much it will fit. So for that you have to know length, breadth and height. Okay, and here now I will solve some examples from your my practice time 4, and already I taught what is this volume. Okay, and this is the revision class. Okay, find the volume of the cube by given dimensions. Okay, first I will find here volume of cube, and the given side is equal to 4 centimeter. Means the cube is there like this. If its face is square, then that is cube. Okay, so this is the cube. Okay, they given side is equal to side. Okay, so what is the formula here? Volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. So how much they given? See side 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. Okay, so when area of square will come, no, there only you are multiplying side into side, but here side into side means you have to see its height, length and breadth. Okay, so see here 4 4s, how much? 4 4s 16, 16 4s. Don't write here 4 1s 4, 4 2s 8, 4 3s 12. No, you have to multiply its double. 4 4s 16, 4 4s 16 and 16 4s. 4 6s 24, 4 1s 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So 64. Okay. Next is here centimeter into centimeter square into centimeter is centimeter cube. So how we are measuring the volume in cubic units? See here, perimeter we are writing commonly centimeter meter, area in square units and volume in cubic units. We are measuring in cubic units. So here you write centimeter cube. Okay, because here centimeter 3 are there, then centimeter cube, and here you have to write if you are writing centimeter 64 cubic centimeter. So this is also correct. If you are writing this is also correct and this is also correct. Okay, so this type you have to find the volume of the cube. Next I will take one more example from your my practice time 4. So I will take here one more example. Side is equal to 11.4 centimeter. Side is equal to 11.4 centimeter. So what is the formula? Volume is equal to side into side into side. Okay, again you have to write here 11.4 centimeter into 11.4 centimeter. Again you write here 11.4 centimeter. Okay, see here 11.4 into 11.4 into 11.4. Okay, see here, then here first for time being you ignore this point. First you have to take 114 into 114. See here, simple maths is there. Calculation is important. For this you need to know the tables. 4 4s 16, 4 1s 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 1s 4. Next 1 4s 4, 1 1s 1, 1 1s 1. Again the same answer will come here because 1 is there. 1, 1, 4. Add here 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. And again here you write 4. Okay. So this is the answer for 11.4 into 11.4. Again I have to multiply with 11.4. Okay. 11.4. I will solve here. 4, 2, 6, 9, 6 into 114. 4 6 are 24. 4 9 are 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. 4 2 are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 4 4 are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Again you leave here place. 1 6 are 6. 9, 6, 2, 4. Again you leave here place. Again the same answer will come here. 6, 9, 6, 2, 4. 4, 14, 10, 16. 16 plus 4 is 23. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. Next 7 plus 2 is 9. 10, 16. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and here 4. See here, this is the answer, and after how many digits the point will come here? 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. So write here after 3 digit point. So its volume is 4867.344 centimeter cube. So this is the way to find the volume of the cube. Okay. So here next I will find, I hope you understood, the simple multiplication is there here. Multiplication is very, very important. So please keep practicing this kind of examples. So next I will find the volume of cuboid. The volume of cuboid. So what is this? See, volume of cuboid is equal to, here you can see the length into breadth into height. So this is the formula to find the volume of the cuboid. So with this you have learnt here 6 formulas. See here, perimeter of area and rectangle, area of perimeter and rectangle, volume of cube and cuboid. Very important examples. Okay. So here, because in cube we can't differentiate its length or height because all sides are there equal. But in cuboid, no, all sides are different and we are differentiate it as a length, breadth and height. I will take here one example. Length is equal to 8 centimeter and breadth is equal to 5 centimeter and height is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. So this is the formula and this is the example, and I am taking this all examples from your my practice time 4. So already here you know the formula. Volume is equal to, right here, length 8 into 5 into 10. Okay. So see here, 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 40 10s are 400 centimeter cube, because centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square into centimeter is centimeter cube. Okay. So this step you have to find the answer. I will take one more example. I will take here length is equal to 15 centimeter. Length is equal to 15 centimeter, breadth is equal to 6 centimeter and height is equal to 24 centimeter. So this is the question. Next, what is the formula? Already here there. So put all the values. 15 into 6 into 24. So see here, 15 6 are 15 6 are 6 5 are 30, 6 1 are 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, again 90 into 24. 4 into 0, 0. 4 9s are 36. Again you leave here plus 2 into 0 is 0. 2 9s are 18. 0, 6, 3 plus 8 is 11, 2. So its volume is 2160 centimeter cube. Okay, I hope you understood how to find the volume of the cube and cuboid. In next class I will discuss how to find, for example they given volume, breadth and height, how to find the length. If they will give length and breadth, length and height, how to find the breadth. Okay, I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.